click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss a video.
Hey guys, this is a quick video walkthrough, or you can say a guide for those people who are not being able to bypass their phones. So I'll be showing you a quick walkthrough and how to do this. Let's go to the things. You select your country first, whatever your country may be, like South Korea or anything. So select your country, then go to setup manually and then press next. Connect to your Wi-Fi first, enter your password, sorry, I forgot my own password. Okay, once it got connected, it will redirect to the activation page. Let's wait for some time. Depends on your internet connection, it may take several minutes. Yeah, so it is iPhone locked, it's iCloud locked, activation locked. So now what you do is keep holding the home button, go to the Wi-Fi settings, press on the I button in the right hand corner of your Wi-Fi. Press the I button. What you first do, what most of the people do wrong, is that they do not forget this Wi-Fi before entering the DNS manually. So what you do is forget this Wi-Fi first, and then again press the I button just next to your Wi-Fi. Okay, then you go to the settings, configure DNS, click on manual, click on add server, and I will be giving you 4 DNS server IDs. You can choose 4 of them depending on the country that you are in. If you have any issues with that, you can just comment your country name and I'll try my best to respond to all of them with the particular DNS code. So for me it's 0104.155.220.158. so just save it, and then you have to join this network with your password. And just what you need to do is just wait. Yeah, so you see the bypass page has opened, so it's successfully bypassed right now. Now the fact about bypass is that it is like a good way, like an alternative to like those who are unable to unlock their devices. They can at least use and get the privilege of using some of the features. So this enables you to do that. So let's just see what all is there. There are chat rooms, clock, pro, web, iOS. It also had the paid versions also. I've seen that. You can use the net, you can surf the internet, you can use the mail, you can use the maps. You have various applications. You can see that various important applications that you can use. There are different crash software also installed in this, so you can just try unlocking your device using this, but no guarantee in that. Then you have many other things. Just go back to this. You have many more things, so it depends on you what you want to do. So in applications, what we have is my favorite one is iHacks DNS. Let's just click, and it will take time a little bit depending on your net connection, so don't freak out, just wait for a little bit. Yes, yep. So this, what the hell is this? I don't know why these are coming, but you can do that, install now. And one more thing I would like to say is that unlocking a device is directly proportional to the iOS version that you have. If you have a lower version of iOS, then it's easy to just get onto the phone, right? So you can just try your best and see what happens. So we have YouTube, we have photos and many other things, but it's kind of weird because it's not that responsive. Yeah, you can watch videos, as you can see. Otherwise in the landscape mode. Yeah, that's cool. So that was a quick guide of how you can just bypass your phone. For latest tricks and updates, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification also, so that every video that I post, that you get the notification of as soon as I post. So thank you so much, and leave a comment if you want to know more tricks or anything that you are stuck in. Until next time, goodbye.